Business Law, the Partnership Act, Minor as a Partner. For Associate Degree Program in Commerce by Karachi University, formerly known as BCom, BBA, MBA, LLB, ACMA and CA students. Commerce Lecture Online. Minor as a partner. A person below 18 years of age is called a minor. A minor cannot make any contract under the law. He cannot become a partner in any firm. He cannot create a new partnership firm. A minor can be admitted to the benefits of partnership that is already in existence. The consent of all the partners is necessary to share the business profits with the minor. An agreement between the guardian and the partner is usually made so that the minor could avail the benefits of the partnership. A minor cannot become partner after this agreement. His position is just like a lender who receives interest on loan. Rights of a minor as a partner. Right to share. A minor has a right to such share in the property and of the profits of the firm as may be agreed upon. Inspect accounts of the firm. He may have access to and inspect and copy any of the accounts of the firm. Minor's liability. The minor's share is liable for the acts of the firm, but the minor is not personally liable for any such act. Cannot sue the partners. A minor cannot sue the partner for an account or payment of his share of the property or profits of the firm in the court of law. Can sue the partnership firm. A minor can sue the partnership firm when he decided to leave the firm. Amount of share. The amount of his share shall be determined by a valuation mode as far as possible as per rules stated in section 48. Rights after attaining the age of majority. His rights and liabilities as a minor continue up to the date on which he becomes a partner. Personally liable. He becomes personally liable to the third parties for all acts of the firm done since he was admitted to the benefits of the partnership. Same share. His share in the property or profits of the firm shall be the same to which he was admitted as a minor. Participate in management. He is entitled to take part in the management of the firm as his liability is unlimited. An agent of the firm. He can bind the firm. He can bind the firm by his acts in the ordinary course of business because now he is an agent of the firm. Like, share, subscribe. Commerce Lecture Online.